Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the daily market wrap for Friday, December 13th, 2019. And what a day. Before we get started today, everything's brought to you by Positive Trends Research. And what we're talking about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Okay, so what a day, what a week. Gosh, it's the end of the week already. So, uptrend right now in the week. Green spinning top off of a pretty much Northern Doji hammer week. So far, right, we had a fresh high today. Again, yesterday was a fresh high too, so they gave us a fresh trend line, giving us a new pivot point to put our trend line through. So everything is bullish until proven otherwise in the market. So we're going to be reviewing this more in our newsletter this weekend. So again, if you want to learn more about technical analysis and the way we look at the market and some of our cool tools and strategies that we use, please check out the newsletter this weekend. It's great. So anyway, still working on this upward trend line right here. Let's take a look at the price action today. We can see here 15 orb up to the upside today on the trade news out of China today, and then inside 15 down on the counter news out of America today, and then inside 15 up on the Kudlow news saying everything's gonna be okay, and then chop around for the rest of the day. And that was basically it for Friday the 13th. So that was it for SPX. A couple other ones that were pretty strong all day was Apple, right? It's been very, very strong. It actually closed pretty close to on its highs. So that hit a fresh all-time high today. On the bearish side, we had Roku today. This is definitely on our radar today. It's been on our bearish radar for a while. We had an inside 15 Dow today here, so that got through a couple key levels and then really worked its way down into the close too. On the bullish side, Shop, we've been tracking this one for a while, inside 15 up, right? A little bit of a bull flag right here for some further upside on that one. And we've been really tracking this one on our Elliott wave analysis, right? We think this is kind of working on a zigzag right now, so we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, ABC, right? But the ABC is 3, 3, 5, so you have 3 up, 3 down, and we're working on a wave 5 up right here. So by rule, it should not extend beyond the all-time highs. If it does, that means this entire count is wrong. But ideally, it wouldn't. The thing I like about it is if it gets close to this 409 area, you can take a short on this thing and have a really, really good risk reward on it, right? So you're basically risking, if it gets to 409, you basically put a 1-point stop on it or so. So you're basically risking 1 point for the chance to make at least the length of wave A, which would bring us back down here. So that would be like a 30-point move or so. So you're 1 to 30 risk reward on that one. So, and with options, that can be pretty explosive, especially if it's fast move and it's an impulsive move. So we can see that now. It could go farther. It could actually extend 1.618 beyond wave A or more. It doesn't have to be there, but typically that's kind of the range, usually equal, possibly the 1.618 as well. So we could see if it even moves down here, right, for almost like a 50, 60-point move on Roku. So that would be pretty amazing. And did I say 50 point? Oh my gosh, I meant like 100 point. Excuse me, I didn't realize it was 400 down to 2. So 130-point move on that one. So yeah, so that could be a pretty big move down. So you're basically risking 1 point to make 100. That would be huge. So anyway, good stuff on that one. Sorry about the missay right there. It's Friday. So anyway, good stuff on that on Shop. So a couple other ones that were pretty interesting today. We had Costco had earnings today. Had a big recovery off of its lows. Nice bounce on Costco for a quick lotto trade on Friday. Why would we think that? Right, because it went to macro support. Right, here's our macro trend line from all the way from these lows back here. Right, worked its way all the way up here, right to the trend line right here. So that was your last level there. There's your tag. Bounced off of that today. Big move. So we had that as well. So some good stuff there. A couple other ones that we've had on our radar. So AMRN. This is on our bullish radar today, and I think it's halted over the weekend here on some news. So it had a big breakout move today, very, very strong. So, and then just we'll see how what they do after they unhalt it. So it may get some more bullish news as well. We'll see how that holds over the weekend. So, other than that, guys, I hope everybody has a wonderful and blessed weekend. Looking forward to putting the newsletter out for our subscribers, and I just want to thank everybody for your support, for your retweets, for your likes, and everything. So, hope everybody has a great weekend with your friends and family, and gets. Just has a great one, and we'll see you guys next week. And we'll see you Sunday night. We have a special guest. We have Options Mike on the free YouTube live stream on Sunday, so we'll see you at a special time at 8 o'clock Eastern time. It's 8 o'clock New York time on the Bubblehead channel, so we'll see you guys there too. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. Talk to you soon.